Hey guys, this Anime Fan 401. I'll be doing a reaction to another Whole Wheat Pete video, and this one is titled 21 Weeb Street Chainsaw Man Cosplay Skit. Without further ado, here we go. Oh, before we go any further, before I start the video, if you want to subscribe to Whole Wheat Pete, tell him Anime Fan 401 sent ya. And if you want to watch this video uninterrupted, link will be in the description below. Without further ado, here we go.
21 Weeb Street, and we about to jump on your ass.
Right in the crack!
Yeah, wait, what? My name's Denji. You know,
I might have to read some of the mangas to this at some point, to Chainsaw Man. I've seen some trailers to it though.
call me Makima's bitch. I kind of own it. It's like my thing. We've been roaming these streets, checking out where all the devils are and stuff, trying to beat them up. Makima told me that she could give me like one toe suck for every time I kill and fight a devil. And I'm gonna be honest, I'm really horny right now.
Infiltrate the con, find the devils. These bitches lucky Meowie ain't here. Meowie crazy. Be lucky the only guy to deal with me. Meow.
Whoa. Look who we got here, Mr. Green Suit looking ass. If you're gonna wear green, maybe you got green in that box. What kind of drugs are you dealing, huh? Mary J. Wanna? Mary J. I like to watch Spider-Man. Yo, open up the box and see what's inside right now. I'll keep it. Wait, what has he got? He's got a gun.
Oh, it's Lloyd Forger.
Run.
I know who that is. That's Lloyd Forger. I think I knew that. Yeah, that's Lloyd Forger. Or Twilight.
We really gotta find some of this stuff ASAP. We've been struggling right now.
Hey, Denji.
Oh, Cheeto, what's up, dude?
I got the good stuff.
The good stuff?
The good stuff.
What'd you get?
Coke.
Oh my god, power. We got coke. Oh my god, this is gonna be so good. I'm so ready. Show it to us. What? That's the cola guy?
I love Coca-Cola.
Trying to infiltrate the con and find the devils. If we don't find the drugs, we can't find the devils. That's not the right type of coke.
You never know
Yep,
with these
true.
devils, man. Could be him, could be her, could be you. I'm coming for you.
I got 3 goals coming out of this, okay? I want titties, and titties, okay? Listen, if I don't
Yep.
get one squeeze out of all this work that I'm doing today, what's the point of me even doing this shit, man? I'm here working day and night, and
Hey, you're just trying to get some. I actually don't blame you for that. Yep. He's just trying to work hard for what he wants. Yeah.
And you're telling me I can't get one little titty squeeze? That could be a devil. That's the guy. Confiscate him. Get him. We're dragging him. No, you're getting away. You're doing like us, buddy.
No.
Buddy, get the goods. Power. We gotta bring him to the interrogation room. Well, Broccoli. Looks like you ended up in the wrong streets, okay? I heard some guy.
Those look like sweets or something like that. Whatever food that is that's on that plate, tell me what it is in the comments section. Looks like some sort of sweets or something like that. I'm not too sure though. Tell me in the comments section below, guys.
You look like a freaking Pomeranian dog telling me that this little broccoli has got the goods. What do we got in here? What's this green stuff, huh? Is this marijuana? I ain't gonna eat that shit. That's drugs. You're a devil, aren't you?
Whoa.
Wait, good cop, bad cop.
Good cop, bad cop?
Yeah.
I'm bad.
Wait, no, I'm bad. Wait, no.
Oh, hang on. They look like cookies from one angle. But please tell me in the comments section.
If you're bad, then I'm good. Hey, sweetie. See this cookie? Fuck this cookie.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
Is that
Yep, there we go. We confirmed it. They're cookies. Perish the thought of actually disregard posting what it is in the comments.
bad? That's bad, right?
We're gonna eat you so hard that we're gonna eat them. There's nothing bad in these cookies, huh? No. You know what? There's only one thing we do. We gotta try their supply.
Bruh.
Oh, God.
What?
No.
Wait, let me try it.
Bruh.
Man.
No.
It's just a normal, delicious cookie. Hey, I'm really sorry, man. We're out here on these streets making sure convention's all safe and stuff.
I'm bad cop again?
It's over. We're gonna eat these, right? We're gonna eat that. Yeah, let's go.
We're proud of you.
Yeah, you're amazing. Stay rocking, stay great. Yeah, stay delicious. We messed up bad, dude. We can get sued for that.
Don't they usually just cover this up?
I thought that was a bad person. When we cover it up, should we you think we should just kill him?
I think we should. It's easier.
Let's go.
Does anyone know where the hentai booth is? Denji says he's at the hentai booth, but there's like 50.
Yep, the Shmentai booth. Yeah, there is Shmentai booths at areas sometimes at conventions. Seen a couple here and there.
Of them, and I think he's already blown through all of them. Reze said she smelled gunpowder on that person.
Oh, we gotta go talk to him. Well, what can we have here, little Miss Arsonist? Word on the
Oh yeah, Clee from Fortnite.
street is that we smell some gunpowder on you. Carrying any bombs on you lately? Are you a devil? She's clear.
I'm at loss for comments for that.
She's
Yeah, that's good.
We're in the crack.
Yeah, we're in the crack.
Right, we're good. Looks like I see some gang symbols on this person right here. What's good, bro? You got drugs on you? I see you're in a gang. Well, you know what gangs do? Drugs. What do you got on you? This person has an animal on their chest. That's like Pochita and me. This person's gotta be a devil. I gotta transform really quick before something happens. Wait. Oh. Power, are you good? Power, are you good? Makima's gonna hate us. I'm so horny. If we don't come back with any results, Makima might actually kill us, and that's not good.
Yep.
I think it's time we go right in the crack.
Oh man, we've been hearing some cases of trafficking happening on your.
Is that? I think that's Raf Talia. I think that cosplayer they're talking to there is Raf Talia. If I'm wrong, tell me in the comments.
Are you a victim? Are you okay? Do you need water? We got snacks, we got Capri Sun, we got fruit
Yeah,
punch.
no, I just think that is Raf Talia from Rising of the Shield Hero, though. I think that might be Raf Talia from Rising of the Shield Hero.
I got
Trafficking? Oh, you must be confused. No, I'm not being trafficked. He's my daddy.
Yep, called it.
I think
It
these
is
are where the
Shield
goods
Hero.
are. We finally found it. We found the secret stash. Makima's gonna love us when she finds out that it's
Toilet paper.
toilet paper.
For the crack.
I hate it here. I hate it here.
Yeah, so it turns out our entire journey kind of just ended up with us finding toilet paper. Ended up not getting any devils today, but on the bright side, we found the important thing. Stuff that's for the crack. You know what they say? Clean butt gives you that clean nut, you feel? No nuts and yeah. What? You didn't like that?
No.
Clean butt, clean, slut? Wait, no, that's even worse. Clean butt, clean. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Marco? How's it going? Sweet.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna end this reaction here. Hope you enjoyed. Like I said before, if you want to sub to Whole Wheat Pete, tell him Anime Fan 401 sent ya. If you want to watch this video uninterrupted, link will be in the description below. And I hope you enjoyed. If you did, like and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. And I'll see you on the next one.